Yeah, Meralco came up with a great defensive game plan, fantastic defense, and that's the way the playoffs go, right? The semifinals. Like I said the last game, we have no illusions that it's going to be easy. So it's hard. It should be hard because it's the semifinals. So on to the next game.
Coach, paano yung sila Cancino, he was able to bounce back from this game?
Yeah, fantastic. Cancino played 14 minutes at 18 points. And so, those things are expected from them. But I thought our defense was not bad. We kept them to the mid-90s. Our offense was the one that was the problem. We struggled with our shooting. Jordan and Calvin were 1 out of 14 combined. So, that's the way the game goes, right? That's the way the bounces fall. Ika nga nila. So, on to the next, like I said.
Coach, any update lang regarding Ray? Kasi kanina we saw him escorted out. I think
Oo tapilok. I-check in tonight and then we'll find out tomorrow what the situation is. Hopefully it's a minor sprain para makalaro pa siya.
Coach, looks like Newsom got hurt. Ano lang yung
Well, I hope he's okay. Hindi ko rin masyadong nakakita. But we go out, we play hard, we fight hard to our best. But in the end, we don't want anyone to get injured. So I really hope Chris is okay.
Coach, about Ranidel Villacampo jersey retirement?
Well, mahabang pinagsamahan namin ni Ranidel. Hanggang ngayon pa nga, makakasama pa kami araw-araw. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, sawang-sawa na ako sa pagmumukha niya. But kidding aside, stellar career, great player, even a greater person. And ang laki ng utang na loob ko sa kanya. Not only sa talk and text, but even sa Gilas. Every time tinawag, not most of the time, all the time, every time Ranidel made himself available.
Coach, meron ka nga on top of your head, best Ranidel moment, meron ka?
When we played Argentina, di ba, yung start of the game sa Argentina, he scored 8-10 points against Solas, I can't recall exactly the details, but that was Ranidel at his best.
Sorry, mabalik lang dun sa game. Parang medyo may kinusap niya naman si Brandon. I think medyo may mga extra curricular activities na ginagawa si Brandon Ultros.
Ay, nako, that's Brandon. He's a work in progress. We're trying to make sure that he keeps his emotions in check. I think he's improved, but still a long way to go.
Going back to RDO, how valuable is he sa coaching staff naman, as a coach?
Well, he's in charge of our big man skills. If you notice the development of Henry Galinato, even the game of Brandon Ganuelas, and even Kelly Williams being now an outside threat, I can attribute that a lot of that to the daily teaching and mentorship of Ranidel.